Welcome back to Vahrenberg Implement. Today we're going to do something different. We're walking out here outside and we're waiting for the sun to come down a little bit there because we've got something awesome to show you. We have got the new CONNiX light kit from AGCO Parts Sparex division. Sparex is a division of AGCO, and they have this tow light kit that is a wireless, rechargeable, and magnetic light kit. And we're going to unbox it here and show you what it's all about so you can see how to protect your equipment and how simple and easy it is to use. Opening the box, you're going to have a handy kit case here. We'll just get this cardboard box out of the way. Sparex CONNiX LED light kit. These things are awesome tool. Gonna open the box, and inside that box you're going to have two rechargeable units here. These are magnetic, and that just shows that Massey Ferguson hood is metallic. Got your two lights here. On the back there is a charge port right here. You charge. Comes with an adapter cable. You can use your household current, or you can use your cigarette lighter or power port plug-in in your tractor. Comes with both. Plug it in, charge it up. There'll be LED lights on the side here. You can see that the little light tells us it's fully charged. And we'll do the same to here. Just push and hold the button. The light will come on and tell us. And it also comes with the radio transmitter. This fits any of the US tractors, the ISO power port on the back of the tractor, and we're going to jump back here and show you that real quick. We've got our guest supermodel today is the 5711 here. This will work on any tractor with a lighting power port, just like this here. You open it up, it's got the 7-pin port there. All we have to do is insert this. Just insert the port into the plug, and one less step. We come right around here, open the cab door, and right there is the hazard lights. And check this out. They're blinking already. One of the cool things is the distance. This is a wireless transmitter, and you can see our hazard lights on our tractor are working. But we're going to grab this kit and we're going to go for a little walk. The cool thing is these are magnetic, so if you have an implement that doesn't have lights on it, you can put it on it. Man, if you were carrying a round bale that's blocking your hazard lights, take you a little mill stake, put that on there. You could add this to the back of the tractor here. Is going to add additional lights. It will do all the functions of it, but we're going to take a little walk here. And we're going to start right here at the back of the tractor because that's where our transmitter's at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 steps to the back of our 1745 baler. If our lights would have gone out of our baler, we could put them on the back of it and let them flash. Now the thing is, we're at 19 steps here. Let's just go for a walk. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 steps. There's our tractor way over there. You can see the one on the baler, and this one is still blinking 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. We're at the back of the 29, 56. Still blinking. 61, 62, 63. Man, I don't know how much farther we can go. We're just going to go walking. I'm tired of counting. But this is being transmitted from that tractor out there. We're all the way to the end of our property here. We're at this disc mower. You can put it on the back of the DM306 disc mower. And if you look from the front here, you can see our baler way over there and the tractor that's transmitting it way down there. So these are going to give you plenty of range. I don't think you're going to have any equipment that long, but this is the cool purpose of this, is to be able to put it on implements that don't have lights. Put it on our wheel rake. This one does have lights on it, but some equipment, the older stuff, don't have, or your wiring may break down, and the CONNiX light allows you to do it. It allows you to do everything. We're just using the hazard for an example because we've got that easy to do. I'm going to go put this on the baler. We're going to jump in the tractor and we're going to show you all the functions that the CONNiX light will do. I'm going to leave y'all here with the 1745 round baler and our CONNiX lights, and we're going to do turn signals, we're going to do brakes, and we're going to see what happens. Well, did you learn everything? Hey, check this out. It's even got a tail light. Got a light there that you can see the tail light. You can see the red lights for the lights are on the tractor. And we're going to take it up to the tractor now and go through the different things. But the CONNiX lights give you ability. You got a magnetic surface to get lighting on your implements. Welcome back, and now we're inside the cab, and we just set the CONNiX lights up on our metal post here. We have our left bright and our right one. We got the hazard switch right here on, so we turn it off, instantly they go off. We'll go do a right turn. The right turn starts blinking, the left goes to solid. Now we're going to do a left turn, and the left turn is blinking, the right goes solid. Now we're going to turn on the road lights, which is our switch right here, and you see the red light comes on and the side lights. And if you look out there, you can see our lights on the loader there, and our red light on the outside, and our light there. So you've got your, if you need to light up a license plate, European countries, some tow vehicles like a trailer, you could do that. You got your red lights. Now we're going to push the brake here, and we'll try to get this. And wow, look at that! You got brake lights incorporated in them too. Both of them, when I push the brakes, go on the brake. Put our hazards on. We got hazards and brakes. Got our lights on. What else could you ask for? This is an awesome alternative for trailer braking or for trailer tow vehicles. Anything that you need to get lights on to warn people that are coming down the highway. Check out the CONNiX light kit from AGCO Parts Sparex division. You get this nice carrying case. Comes in, gonna be in a nice box like this. If you come to Vahrenberg Implement, you'll see it on the shelf. CONNiX lights. LED, wireless, rechargeable, magnetic lights. You can put it in the cigarette. You can do it from your power port, plug your cable in. You can do it from your wall outlet, and the cable got USB on one end, got the plug in on the other end, plug right in the back of the lights, charge them up. Get seen at night. Road safety is one big thing, man. I see it all the time. Man, guys with hay bales, I'd love to see y'all put this like a metal spike in the back of the bale with a plate and put these lights on it, or find some way to attach a metal light. You can make you a little harness and put them on the back, because the bale will block the back end. So the next time you're carrying a bale on the back end, raise it up and look and see what the other cars and stuff have to deal with. It's not only safe for you, it's safe for the other operators. And this day and age, you can never be over prepared, and that's where the CONNiX lights is a great investment for your operation. Just carrying them as a spare in case something happens and you need to transport at night, you can add a little bit more lighting to be a little more safer on the road. Make sure you come check us out at Vahrenberg Implement. That first stoplight right there, 4 miles north of Interstate 70, just 49 miles from the Kansas line. We've got CONNiX lights in stock. They're from our Sparex division. Sparex has got a lot of cool stuff. If you're needing farming accessories, go visit your local AGCO parts dealer. Your Massey Ferguson, AGCO is the parent company of Massey Ferguson. AGCO Parts is the genuine choice for Massey Ferguson parts. Come see us, get your accessories, your items at your dealer. Visit Sparex.com. They've got an online thing that you can look at all the products they got. CONNiX lights. Get them today.